Hi everyone, my name is Belle and I'm the host representing the OrangeTee AAG division. And today I'm very excited to show you a 4-bedroom condo unit located right here at Waterwoods in Punggol. Now, follow me. Be embraced by the general space, cleverly designed as an industrial modern theme to fully enhance all that space, making the layout unique and different from the typical ones. Check out the texture of this brick feature wall right here, and also the efficient storage space that keeps the house clean and tidy with everything tucked away under this place. There is a 6-meter wide living hall plus a generous dining area. This is remarkable. The kitchen is also redesigned with much character, with carefully chosen finishes. And thanks to the glass door, the place is so bright so you can enjoy preparing meals for the family and then indulge in some dessert at the balcony. All bedrooms comes with a built-in wardrobe, and right here in this master bedroom, there is a wall-mount TV for late-night movie enjoyment. With the current new norm of working from home, one of the bedrooms has actually been converted to a home office. Just to name a few, the facilities in this condo include a 15-meter pool, tennis court, and a gym. The location of this condo is near the Riviera LRT. The Riviera LRT is an LRT station on the Punggol LRT line. By 2031, this station will be part of the future extension between Pasir Ris and Punggol Station on the Cross Island line. The nearby Coral Ridge LRT with Punggol Plaza is only a 5 minutes walk away for conveniences. Popular Metro School is within 1 kilometer with GIIS International School down the road for your child's schooling. We hope you enjoyed the house tour. The OrangeTee AAG division welcome you to join us in this viewing experience. For more details, please contact Sean Ng of OrangeTee entire AAG division at 83003838.
AAG, the #1 top division in Orange Tea and Thai.